Are you thinking of moving to South Padre Island? Come step inside this $2.75 million bayfront property. This luxurious property is a dream come true for sunset enthusiasts. Here in the shores on South Padre Island, we have a listing that we cannot wait to share with you. This modern home has everything you're looking for: modern upgrades and a serene outdoor space with incredible bayfront views. Let's dive in and take a look at what could be your next beach home. If you're new here, my name is Denise with Frankie Realty, and today we are thrilled to take you through 502 Shore Drive. This home is at the end of the peninsula and has fabulous bayfront views. Be sure to hit subscribe to stay up with the latest on the real estate market here on South Padre Island. Let's start out with the home's exterior. Painted in a coastal blue color with white shutters, creating incredible curb appeal. The porch entry takes your eye immediately to the bay waters, so you know that you are on a prime waterfront property. The roof is 32 gauge white aluminum, made to last in this seaside climate. Now let's go take a look inside. Immediately, you're welcomed by an inviting entry with impressive hardware and room to hang your items. This entry area also includes a beautifully decorated half bathroom and a large laundry room with plenty of space. Now we walk outside to the oversized patio area, which includes an outdoor grill and sink, along with ample seating for your family or for entertaining as you feel the breeze and enjoy the water views. As we enter to the second floor, we're greeted by an open concept area, including a large kitchen and island with plenty of bar seating and a large dining area. Notice the custom cabinets and the natural wicker accent theme, which shows up again on this floor. Now let's take a closer look at this kitchen. It is designed with both style and function in mind, featuring stainless steel appliances and a 6-burner gas cooktop. Off the kitchen and living area, there is a large porch overlooking the channel. The luxury vinyl flooring throughout the home not only looks great, but it's very durable and easy to clean. As we head toward the bedroom on this floor, there is a built-in desk area for convenience and a charming half bath here in the hallway. The large bedroom offers plenty of space, and take a look at the bathroom. Mirror accents of the natural wicker make it reserved yet spectacular. The shower is tiled to the ceiling, and there is a built-in dressing table. Off the bedroom, you will find the wraparound porch, giving you amazing bay water views, taking you back around to the living area entry. Heading up to the third floor, notice the high ceilings and the welcoming sitting area to play a game of cards or space for video games. This third floor has 3 bedrooms, and one of the standout features of this home is the ample space in each bedroom and the incredible water views. In the primary bedroom, electric drapes let the sun shine in or easily close down for a good night's rest. This room has its own private balcony with lots of space to enjoy journaling in the morning or having breakfast outside. Heading into the 2 back bedrooms, notice the built-ins, and each has its own bath. Again, we have the wraparound porch on this 3rd floor, providing the best views in the house. Looking towards the south from the balcony, you can see SpaceX launch pad and headquarters. Every room has plenty of light and great space to relax and spread out. This home has 2 jet ski docks and 2 grassy areas outside with space to add a pool if you desired. The bayfront feel of this home can't be beat, nor can the stunning sunset views. It is rare to find a home with such breathtaking views available and ready to move in. Just down the street, you can enjoy all the Shores community has to offer, including the large pool, pickleball, tennis, and basketball courts. Beach access is just a short golf cart ride away. The Shores community is on the north end of the island with quiet, calm beaches and just a short ride to all the shopping, dining, and fun that the island has to offer. If you're looking for a move-in ready home with incredible views of the Laguna Madre, this one could be for you. We would love to show it to you in person. Reach out and we can make that happen. This is Denise signing off from the shores of South Padre Island.